at the journey of Mi'raj, where the Prophet ﷺ traveled from Mecca to Masjid al-Aqsa in Palestine. And thereafter, the ascension took place. Isra is the traveling from Mecca to Palestine. And Mi'raj is from Masjid al-Aqsa to the seven heavens, that is Mi'raj. Uruj, going up into the heavens. After the Prophet ﷺ led all the Anbiya alayhimus salam, and then Jibreel alayhi salam took the Prophet ﷺ on the journey of Mi'raj. It is mentioned in ahadith, various ahadith, that upon every heaven Jibreel was asked that who are you and who is with you. From this we come to know that heavens have doors. They have access points. Just like when you're passing by a border or you're passing through an airport and checks are made. So when your luggage is going through, they check your luggage is being scanned. In the same way, our a'mal, our actions, when it goes, our a'mal also gets scanned.